Hey YouTube. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and showing y'all me doing finger coils on my son's hair. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's just get right into it. So this is my son. He has, I believe, type 4 hair, but it's kind of short right now. He's been going back and forth on whether he wants locks or what he wants. So I think finger coils are a quick fix. So this is what his hair looks like before we put the finger coils in. So let's get into what you'll need. I use a comb that's short at the bottom for the finger coils just because it's easier for me to use. Some setting foam, a spray bottle with water, and some clips to hold the hair back. And y'all, when you start these, you just want to make sure that you have like some clear, precise parts. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am not a hairstylist, so my parts are not really that great, but you know, it gets the job done. So I usually just spray the hair down to make it easier to go through, and then I use the setting foam and put it throughout the hair because when this stuff dries, it literally locks in the moisture. So I always use this product. So when I start mine, I start by putting the comb near the root and then just twisting around. And y'all, you want to make sure that that section is really detangled before you start doing this because the comb will get stuck. But I will show you this again. So I just make a little section and then like I literally just put the comb near the root and then start twisting around just to give it like a good foundation. And once I start twisting, I try to hold it and then pull down and hold it and then pull down, and that's what gives it that spiral curl look. And y'all, like I said, I am not a hairstylist, but this is the way I learned how to do it. So yeah, just keep on watching. So in this section, I wanted to show y'all what happens if you don't comb it through good. You see how that's kind of pulling and it's getting stuck? You do not want that to happen. You want to make sure that that section of hair is fully detangled so that comb slides through that section pretty easily because you don't want to cause any unnecessary pain to the person. But I also wanted to tell y'all that whenever you are combing through your pieces of hair, you need to make sure that you don't snag the twist or coils that you've already done, because then you'll have to do that coil over, and that's frustrating because that happened to me. So, and also, I don't know why they call these finger coils, because I straight do this with a comb. But yeah, let's just keep watching. So once I am done with the finger coils, I get a blow dryer and try to dry that product that's on there, just because it locks in the moisture. And here is our finished look, y'all. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, you can see they look like starter locks or whatever, but I mean, they're not. These are easily washed out. If you want to know, this took about 2 hours to do, y'all. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something, so you don't miss something. And I'll see y'all in my next video.